What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daisy. Today I have a pyramid booty workout for you. You guys love the ab pyramids. So today I'm going to be doing that same exact structure but with booty exercises. If you've never done a pyramid workout before, it's basically where you start with 1 rep of each exercise. So you have 3 exercises. You're going to do 1 of this, and then you're going to do 2, and then 3, then 4. And then you go all the way up to 10 and then all the way back down. So then you end up doing like a shit ton of reps and it's incredible and you'll feel the burn. I also wanted to say thank you to everyone who's bought in my summer program. And if you haven't checked it out and you're wanting to get your glutes and your tummy tight for summer and just for life in general, because it doesn't even have to be just summer, then click the link in the description box below. Anyways, let's just get started. If you guys want to make it more difficult, you guys should add some bands, add some resistance, and I will be restocking my rubber bands, and then also I'm going to be adding some fabric ones, so stay tuned for those.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name? Yeah. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
Also, I wanted to show you guys my body progress lately. Like, I've been working really hard. I've been following my summer program to a T for over 12 weeks now. And this is how I'm looking. I'm happy with it. Little side, back, other side, and front. Anyways, definitely go check out my summer program if you haven't already. And I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!